PearWood Hair Color is marketed as a shampoo that can help bring back a richer, more natural-looking hair color while also nourishing your hair. The website says its color builds with every wash and highlights 6 botanical extracts, including ingredients like Shampoo, ginseng, donkey, ginger root, and biota leaf. It also claims to be ammonia-free and PPD-free, and says you can simply lather, wait, and rinse without needing gloves. But does PearWood actually restore gray hair? Or is this mainly a temporary coloring product? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. The first red flag is the idea of restoring your natural hair color. Coloring gray hair is very different from restoring melanin production inside the hair follicle. A shampoo may make gray hair look darker by depositing color onto the hair, but that doesn't necessarily mean it is reversing the biological process that caused the hair to turn gray. Another concern is the use of botanical ingredients as part of the marketing. PearWood highlights ingredients such as Shampoo, ginseng, donkey, ginger root, and biota leaf. Even if some of these ingredients have traditional uses or individual research, that doesn't prove the complete PearWood formula can reverse gray hair. Ideally, you would want clinical studies specifically testing the finished product. PearWood also promotes around 15-minute gray coverage. But quick coverage can simply mean that color is being deposited onto the hair shaft. That's a cosmetic effect, not proof that the product is changing the underlying cause of gray hair. The ammonia-free and PPD-free claims may sound reassuring, but they don't automatically mean the product is irritation-free. Other ingredients, fragrances, preservatives, or botanicals can still cause reactions in some people. And the claim that gloves aren't required doesn't prove skin safety either. Staining and irritation are two different things. Finally, PearWood says the color may last around 7 to 10 washes. That can vary significantly depending on your hair type, porosity, washing routine, shampoo, and how much gray hair you have. So it's better to view this as a possible range rather than a guaranteed result. Overall, PearWood may provide temporary color coverage, but the stronger claims about restoring natural hair color are harder to support without clinical evidence on the finished product. So before buying, check the full ingredient list, return policy, independent customer feedback, and avoid assuming that natural or botanical automatically means proven or risk-free.